Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this brown smoky gold winged liner look. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer to prime my lids. And I did grab a damp beauty sponge just to help me blend it out, and I did set it with some translucent powder as well. For today's palette, I'm using the Anastasia of Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette. I do have a bunch of tutorials on my channel already using it, so if you want to check those out, you can as well. But first thing I'm doing is going into the light orange shade, and I'm just buffing this into my crease, and I am winging out that outer corner since we are going to be doing a cat eye shape for today's look. And honestly, this is the perfect look for full face looks. It really elongates your eyes, and it's one of my favorite techniques to do. So next I'm going into the shade called Edges, and I'm just applying that into my crease with this angled brush from Colourpop and winging out the outer corner, and then grabbing my small tapered brush and just going in left and right motions to diffuse that line out. And afterwards I felt like I wanted to add more definition, more dimension to the outer corner, so I grabbed the same brush, but this time I grabbed the dark brown shadow and I just drew that line once again just on the outer corner just to give us more dimension, and then going back into that small tapered brush and some more of that Edges shade, just going in left and right motions, buffing that line out. And I'm very careful about how I blend that line out. I want to keep it super low. And then I'm grabbing this angled brush and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, which is one of my favorite concealers to use to carve my lid, just because it's more on the dry side, so you have a little bit more control over it and it doesn't transfer as badly as a concealer that's super hydrating. And then I'm grabbing this small brush from Morphe and some of my translucent powder, and I'm just kind of packing this over top of my lid just to set that concealer in place, because we are going to be blending a bunch of shadows over top, so I just wanted to set it. And then I'm grabbing this flat brush and some of this Soleil shade. It's a light champagne color, super beautiful, and I just wanted to apply this to the front half of my lid, so I'm just applying this to the inner half of my lid. And I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus just to kind of give us a little bit more of a metallic shade, but the shadows are super pigmented. You don't have to wet your brush, it's definitely optional. And then I'm going into Dollars with the same brush, and I'm just applying this more towards the outer half of my lid but blending it into that first shade as well. And then going back into the darker brown shade, I'm going to be applying some more dimension to the outer corner, so just kind of taping it inward and giving us more dimension, and just lightly feathering that shade inward and just blending it into that Dollars shade. And then for liquid liner, I went ahead and I picked up my Anastasia of Beverly Hills black liquid liner, and I just drew a wing. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check out our lash company, the link will always be in the description box down below, as well as all the other products that I'm using in today's tutorial. For my waterline, I just applied my CoverGirl black liner, and then I'm applying the same shades that we applied up top. So first that light brown transition color, and then the darkest brown shade over top, and then blending the two together. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, which is one of my favorite mascaras for my lower lashes. It just really gives them a lot of length and it keeps them nice and separated. It's not clumpy at all. And then for my inner corner, I really wanted something that was really going to pop, so I went ahead and I picked up my Pixi Beauty Highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, which is one of my favorites. And yeah, last step for this look, I just grabbed my spoolie, wet it with some Fix Plus, and then ran it through some bar soap, and then ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway. We're picking our winner for this month very soon. We'll probably announce it in our next video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you so much if you watched it to the very end. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!